Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and there is a slew of information about trucks and electric SUVs coming from all kinds of directions. But before I let you, I'll talk about the next one that just came up. I read all about it yesterday. I want to thank all my awesome subscribers. I had a great 2018 with you. Continue on to 2019. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new for this channel, please subscribe and put the bell for reminding of a video every single day, 5 a.m. Eastern time. That's when my videos come out, 5 a.m. Eastern time in the United States. Also, the Electric Israeli store now has 19% off for about a month for swag, Electric Israeli swag, and you can also support this channel by becoming a patron. Well, enough with that, but thank you anyway. So we're going to talk about the Atlis XT EV pickup truck that, according to their website, and I read the whole freaking website yesterday, every page, every word, supposedly coming at 2020. So let me tell you what they say they're going to bring, and then let me give you my opinion. Now, the Atlis XT joining the rumors about the Model Y and the Tesla pickup truck and the Rivian that was introduced at the Los Angeles Auto Show, and on we go. I think it are all great ideas, and then at the end I'm going to tell you which one I think is actually going to happen. But let's talk about the Atlis XT. I mean, the specs are out of this world, out of this century. Oh my God, if that comes out, that's going to be amazing. So first of all, they're talking about all made in America. I like it already. Talking about 4 motors, so it's true all-wheel drive, like every wheel has its own motor. Talking about 4 independent suspension system for each wheel. That's amazing. Now get this, 300 to 500 miles range. 300 the base model, up to 500 miles range. And talking about a supercharging like system that will charge the car in 15 minutes from 0 to complete. I'd like to see that. I guess they're using lightning bolts, but we'll see that. Top speed of 120 miles. That's not extraordinary, but you know, other cars have that top speed. 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. That's impressive. 0 to 60 in 18 seconds when it's fully loaded. That could be very impressive. They're talking about a trailer hitch that will tow 5 to 20,000 pounds towing capability, and also a gooseneck hitch a gooseneck system that will tow between 10,000 to 35,000 pounds. That is, wow, whoa. Can they do that? There's going to be no side mirrors. Say goodbye to side mirrors. Small cameras that you'll see the cars from each side on your screen, on the front screen. That I don't think is approved yet. That system, I don't think. I'm not sure 100%. I'm not sure that every car that a car is allowed to have it. I know there is a Honda that has that system, but it's a redundant. It's not the only system that they have. So that I know, that I have seen. They're going to have a bed length between 6 to 8 feet. Like you have in other trucks. Like I said, charging for 15 minutes. That's really impressive. Really impressive if they can do that. And then the buying system is very interesting. It's like basically they call it a subscription system. Let's say call it a lease, but it's not like a 3-year lease regular. It's call it a subscription base for 5 to 7 years that you pay a base price starting at $700, and you can opt to free maintenance, lifetime free maintenance for the entire subscription time, and also free insurance if you opt for that. Or you can buy it like a regular buy, and starting price, I assume for the 300 miles, of $45,000, and you can opt for free maintenance and or for insurance. So that's an interesting model. Now, I read the. By the way, one more information. The payload capability is 1,000 to 5,000 pounds payload. Now, from what I read in the website, and sometimes you read between the lines, I read in the website that they are looking for, they're taking reservation. Production starts in 2020, but they're also looking for investors. And I actually went to the investors page, and they said they raised almost $1 million of whatever the goal is, 1.2 million, I'm not sure. And there's all kinds of levels of investment. They do this investment, you get off, you get some money off the purchase or the subscription and all that. So it's all kinds of ways to do that. When they say investment, so who is behind this? Who are the main investor? Are they going to go public? Is it a start? Obviously, it's a startup. Is it going to be do they have the money to produce and deliver? So my point is, here's my point. My point is, when we talk about the Rivian or the Atlis or any other car, any newcomer that is coming to the market and taking a reservation, that I have two questions: can you produce and can you deliver? It's all about two things: production and delivery. That's why what Tesla did or does is so incredible. Because they produce and they deliver. They produce Model S, Model X, Model 3, and they deliver. Is it hard? It's incredibly hard. Did they almost got out of business? Yes, they did. But they produce and deliver. So can Rivian, can Atlis XT, can anybody else who's coming up with these concepts and taking reservation? My question is, can you produce and deliver? Do you have enough investment behind you, enough investors behind you who are going to support this? And that's so we'll see what happens. I mean, the pictures, the front trunk, the trunk, it's impressive. I mean, the numbers are impressive. Can you produce and deliver? What do you think? Can they produce and deliver? That's my question. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the subscribing. Thank you for helping me change the world one electric car at a time. And I see you tomorrow with another video.